Hello and welcome back. We're working with the Cartoon Animator 5 and we'll be going through quite a few things tonight as we do this ongoing creation of a show called Hound Dog News. So join me and we'll get going. And do this. So 3 frames for him to sit down. Okay. And now we're going to move the start of the recording. We're going to hit this and it's this tab over to the 3 frames. Okay, so now the movie will actually start at the 3rd frame and he's already sitting down. Okay, and it doesn't matter. We've missed a couple frames right here. So, back 3 frames. Really, that's just the first footstep work. There, so hit this button now. It'll say 3 frames. Okay, all right, so here we go. We're going to start the movie right there. All right, looks good. I think that we need to put a couple eye blinks into Homeless Fred really quick though. So let's do that really quick just to get him looking more real. Under the face. Okay. And they don't always have the same eye movements. You kind of check it out, find out what you got here, and then it's kind of cool because you can do all kinds of stuff. Yeah. You can play with those eyes and make him look, cross-eyed. I don't think. All right, I'm going to do something. Keep it normal. There we go. Forward A. Oh, there we go. Bloodshot. Goodness, he's got a bunch of eyes. Okay. We're going to do just a normal look at it. Normal look there on that eye. Okay, here we go. So we put in just an eye look that we're going to keep on him, and then we'll just throw in a couple blinks here. Prosperity's sake. Boom. All right. Only this time, he's going to keep his eyes closed for a while, and then I like that. All right. Now he can't be walking into. Change that. Closest Sprite Editor. I'm going to figure out where he is and where I can see the transition. And I'm going to move him by rolling the mouse away from me. 1 click. Okay. And hopefully that won't screw it all up. But let's just. Okay, let's go back to the beginning to check that it. All right. That was pretty easy. Okay, so the bum looks a little weird with no blinking after that. Take him to right there. Let's go back and work on him. All right, here we go. We're going to work on his face. We're going to go ahead and close his eyes. because he's just going to go to sleep. I think he should go to a squint of some sort. Ooh, kind of follow him. See, we need. Oh yeah, eyeballing him. All right, and the other eye, and probably just goes. Change the eye movement before we close those eyes off. Time to squint. Kind of getting tired, I think. Then we're gonna close those pieces. Go. Okay. All right, let's take a look at that. That's not too bad. Let's take a look here. Process. All over. Okay. All right, let's go back in here and see if we can find something similar to. I'd like to see his eyeball. There we go. I think. Take a close up at that. Yeah, that's pretty cool. There we go. All right. Oh, yeah. Much better. Okay, here we go. See if we can play that again. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good. I like that. All right, let's lower his hand down just a little bit so it looks more natural. And we'll go ahead and record this. It's an optional scene, and when we go to the editor, we'll have some stuff to play with. Whether we want to have him sitting or what. Okay, so sometimes you need to just make the screen bigger so you can drag stuff easier. That's what here. All right, I think I'm even just kind of rest his lap a little bit. Yeah. Take a look if he looks more natural. Let's turn off the bone here. Really quick. Okay, there we go. Turn off the highlight. So some of these previews will lag on your end, so be sure to watch the final rendered clip at the end of this lesson. Thanks. Okay, so if you see what happened there and the hand is still moving, I ended up putting this hand move across the whole scene. So I'm going to do the back button. Okay. So I'm at the end of the scene where I made his hand move like that, and then it made him move through the whole scene. Should have been back at the beginning. And then if I did those movements, they just all be incorporated. The scene. Okay, I think I'll just rest his hand right lap like that. Move it. That's good. I think I'm going to go with that. And let's just look now. All right. Maybe it'll play. Okay, there we go. So let's go ahead and save. And I'll save this one. And it renders it into the movie. The quality, of course, is the full quality. Sometimes the previews are not necessarily showing all the transitions. Okay, his hand looks good. Eye blinks are good. Nice. Okay, I like that. Play that one more time. All right, so since he's already sitting there on the park bench, when I start the scene, David's just in the scene, magically appears. So if we wanted to go back and make him walk through as if he's walking through the whole time, might look a little more realistic. Otherwise, a good transition, and he would just be walking through the park. You wouldn't know. Okay, good. We can live with that. So let's go out of here, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.